Right, Joanna. So we had something nice and exotic there yesterday. So the Spanish triplets. Okay, so first of all, because they're called triplets, you want to make sure that it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that in the rhythm, and not this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, because we're used to things happening in fours, right? So, a lot of the time, if there's 3 of something in a phrase, we'll double up on one of them to make it the value of 4. So you have 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4, right? So a lot of the time we'll kind of go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is not like that, okay? So these are triplets. So you want 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And again, if you're finding that there's little gaps between one bit and the next bit, that just means you need to slow down, okay? So our notes are, so you know the pattern, it's bass, whatever that might be. So at first it's the 6th, but we go down through the 5th and the 4th as well. So we've got bass, 2nd string, 1st string. Okay, so then our notes then, our bass notes, so these two, they stay the same throughout, and then our notes are open, 6th, 1st fret on the 6th, 3rd fret on the 6th, then open A, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, then next string, same again, open, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and then you've got the in between each one of those, okay? So we'll go... then straight back down the way. Then a nice E7 on the end of it. Okay, so you want to start off slow, and then as you're moving up the bass notes, get a little bit faster if you can. But start it off really slow, okay? So... And you can go up as far as you want with this as well. So let's say if we start off here on the D string, we can go... You can keep going all you want. But for now, just focus on open 1, 3, next string, open 2, 3, open 2, 3. So... there's that E7 there. So remember, E7 is just like A minor 7 up a string. So it comes from your E major shape there, and you just take away the middle one, the D string. So you leave the D string open. So take away your 3rd finger if you're playing it like this. So there's E, and there's E7. There's the 7. Okay, so one more time. Okay, keep it up. And remember, one more little thing as well. So in your song, we've got the change between E minor, or E major I should say, and what was it? E minor 9/D. Okay? Or we can just call it C major up 2, okay? So remember, back and forward on this. You don't need to do the 8 strums. If you're just trying to get this change nice and smooth, you don't need to worry about the strumming. Just work on the chords and do the strumming later, okay? Back and forward, back and forward. It's got to be really smooth. So E major is probably the toughest one to do it from, because everything has to change. Do it slowly at first, then build up the speed. So A minor, remember, we're starting off on A minor, taking the chord up 2, and as we're moving up, not before or after, but at the same time, up 2 frets, this one comes up here. 5th fret on the A string, okay? Then from the F, we're going up 2 frets again, but this time we're taking these 2 fingers up a string. So as they go up, these two hop up a string and boom. There you are, okay? Back and forward, over and over and over again. You can't do this enough. All right, keep it up. See you next time.